Hey everyone, it's Kylie. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here at the National Ballet School in downtown Toronto, Canada. Today we are going to be learning the infamous shoulder roll, aka the around the world roll. I've seen this roll called a few different things, but basically what it is you're passing from either a seated position or a kneeling position through the side body onto the backs of the shoulders, or through what in yoga is called the plow position onto the other side. It's a great roll to add into floor work combinations, something different than your usual just butt roll transition. I think it's a really key movement to learn for more advanced floor work classes. One thing I will note is that this movement took me probably 2 years to really feel comfortable doing. We're gonna talk about that plow position, that main position that we pass through. When I say you need to spend some hours in this position just building up that flexibility for the back of the neck, I really mean it. Be patient with yourself, take your time, don't get discouraged. This is a hard move to learn and to master. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start with some neck warm-ups. Next, let's open up the hamstrings and posterior chain by doing a forward stretch. We're going to enter the floor using the chicken wing arm coordination. Be sure to get comfortable releasing your head into the floor when you do this. This technique is very important and used in tons of different floor transitions. It's like a plie for your arms. Next, let's get comfortable in our plow position and then feel the floor area around the head and shoulders with your arms. I call these snow angels. Next, we practice using our arms to control and push into the floor as we drop one knee to the floor and tilt from the top to the side of the shoulder. This might look easy, but it's tricky to learn. Take your time. Now let's build up to using the chicken wing entry to then lift our hips out of the floor and take our weight into the shoulder. And again, be sure to let your head release into the floor. All right, so put your pieces together. Chicken wing entry, shoulder stand, feet wipe the floor as you get to your plow position, and then reverse order these elements to come down the other side. Another tip is to use your toes to help control rather than keeping your toes pointed. This roll can go in whichever direction you direct yourself, depending on where you place your hand on the floor initially. And again, take your time and maybe try practicing on a soft surface like your bed or a mat first. Let me know how it's going. If you've made it this far in the video, comment chicken wing in the comments down below. There you have it, the around the world, aka shoulder roll. I hope this tutorial was valuable for you. If it was, definitely hit the like button, please. It helps so much. And if you were to subscribe to the channel, that helps even more. I really appreciate all the support. In the comments below, let me know what other movements you'd like a tutorial for. Don't forget to check out some of my other floor work tutorials, as well as some of my other videos that show you some different movements that I like to put in my combinations. Follow me on Instagram at Kylie Thompson Creative. Find me on TikTok. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for being here. See you next time.